Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior. So thank you for the support that we are giving towards our channel. We are road to 2000 subscribers. We are now at 1700. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like, share and comment. So here we have a proposed 2-bedroom together the sitting room, and one bedroom it's an ensuite. So here we have we are now at our foundation. We are digging our foundation like you can see over here. So I will let you inside but even though that is a projection of how it will be at the end. So here you see this small partition that is over here. This will be our balcony, of which will be an open balcony, and then later we will come to this. This will be our proposed, it is like our sitting room that you see over here. And then this is the master bedroom, of which will be an ensuite, and the other one there is another second bedroom. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribe towards this channel. So each and every day we'll be uploading you the journey, as per how it will be going from now up to, I think this project will take like, let's say like 30 days up to the end. So kindly stay tuned. We'll be informing you each and every step that we'll be doing towards this channel. So let's meet tomorrow after but tomorrow we'll be having a blinding that will be installed on these trenches that you see over here. So tomorrow we'll be having a trenches that will be starting to welcome our foundation that will be for this beautiful 2-bedroom. So guys, if you have to inquire maybe any information towards this service, you can our number is on our bio. You can contact us and even email us for whichever support that you want, for any actual designing, maybe house building. You want to build a house, you are maybe abroad or somewhere, we can do it for you. So our number is on our bio, so be free to negotiate with us. So let's meet on the next video.